Guys, a new week has started, and as you all know by now, a new week means drama, entertainment, and suspense on our favorite show in Nimba. More especially since there's a lot going on the show this week, and by a lot I mean Mawetu trying to fix things with Kawe, to Mega marrying Klati, and Zolega's drama with Lazarus. That's a lot, right? I know. That is why I decided to create this video and share with you guys some of the things that you can expect on the show this week. So let us start with the Monday episode 126, titled A Lobola Deferred. And on this episode, a strange moment unsettles the Mabandlas. Lwando whispers a dangerous truth into Lazarus' ears. Then on the Tuesday episode 127, titled Full Circle. Zolega and Lazarus struggle to balance love and ambition, but fate has a way of pulling the circle tighter. Wednesday episode now, episode 128, titled Limise. Zolega and Lazarus clash over Sydney's punishment. Mawetu breaks when Kawe shuts the door on him, which takes us to the Thursday episode 129, titled Strip. On this episode, betrayal and heartbreak leave scars too deep to ignore. Zolega, Hlati, Tumega and Lazarus yearn for peace, but whispers of destiny remind them the storm isn't over. Now, the last episode of the week, which is the Friday episode 130, titled I. Zolega stumbles upon a discovery that could change everything, and Sydney vows vengeance that could tear them all apart. Now, that and more is what you can expect on Nimba this week. So, do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.